velocity v2. Let us check how to find. What's there any doubt in this theory?
No, sir.
To find final velocity v2, you have to help me now. Chalo, line se bolo. Kajve, from where to start?
Sir, u1 minus u2 is equal to v2 minus v1.
Great, great, great. Perfect. Perfectly fine. Now, since we want v2, that means this time v1 I have to eliminate. So minus v1 comes here, becomes plus, equals to v2 minus u1 plus u2. Now, from law of conservation of momentum, which we have got m1 u1 minus v1, m1 u1 minus v1 equals to m2 v2 minus u2. So m1 u1 minus m1 v1, v1 is v2 minus u1 plus u2 equal to m2 v2 minus m2 u2. Now I'm opening the bracket further and collecting like terms together. m1 u1 minus m1 v2 plus m1 u1 minus m2 u2 equals to m2 v2 minus m2 u2. So v2 first we have to collect together. This is minus m1 u1.
Sir, it should be M1 U2.
Pardon?
It should be M1 U2.
m1 u2. Where you are saying m1 u2? m1 u1 minus of m1 v1 is v2 minus u1 plus u2. So m1 v2 plus m1 u1 minus into plus minus m2 u2 m2 v2 minus m2 u2. That
Sir,
would
it's M1 into U2. No?
m1 into
Instead of M2 U2, it should be
You have written
M1 U2.
you have written M2
LHS,
U2.
LHS.
LHS m1 u1.
You have written M2 U2.
Sir, on the right side.
Right side to m2 will only come na, m2 v2
No,
minus
no.
Right side
Right
का
side of
LHS.
screen.
what I have written here,
In the corner, you have written M2 U2.
m2 u2. So it is m2 u2 only na, this one.
No, sir, not that.
They are saying
First
M2
line.
V2 minus M2 U2.
m2
Your
v2
right, yeah, the U is looking, the V is looking like U here.
No,
here.
sir. Yes, sir.
अरे यार क्या बोल रहे हैं. Wait. Once again say m1 u1 minus m1 v2 plus m1 u1 minus m1 u2, then this equals to M2 V2. Now it is okay. Minus M2 U2. That's okay now? Or still there is error? Hello?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this was V1, V2 here. So it is here V2 equals to V1 equals to V2 minus U1 plus U2. So M1 U1 minus V1 is this. M1 U1 minus of M1 V1 value is V2 minus U1 plus U2 बराबर है M2 V2 minus M2 U2. So M1 U1 minus M1 V2 minus minus plus M1 U1 minus plus minus M1 U2 equals to M2 V2 minus M2 U2 बराबर है. Now collecting all V2 together. So this side again I will get M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Here M1 U1 plus this is 2 times M1 U1, then minus M1 U2 plus M2 U2. So 2 times M1 U1 plus U2 into M2 minus M1 equal to V1 M1 plus M2. M2 M1 V2 dividing throughout by M1 plus M2, we get V2 equals to M2 U2 M2 minus M1 plus 2 times M1 U1 upon M1 plus M2 M1 plus M2. Okay, copy it now. So we got final velocity V1 and V2 in case of elastic collision. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Others have also completed. Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay, okay, okay. Waiting for 2 minutes. See. Case 1. Case 1. If m1 equals to m2, then final velocity v1, which is u1 m1 minus m2 plus 2 times m2 u2 upon m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2 will become u1. This is m1 minus m1, both are same, 2 times of m1, 2 times m2 u2, 2 times m2 because both are same. So v1 into this will become 0 plus u2. So I get v1 is same as u2. And v2, ओके चलो इधर तक लिखो, जगह नहीं है, इतना लिखो, फिर अच्छे से दूसरा वाला भी बता दो. Okay, done. No? v1 equal to u2 we got. Yes, can I remove this picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now v2 formula is u2 into m2 minus n1 upon m1 plus m2 plus twice of m1 u1 upon m1 plus m2. So v2 will become u2 m2 minus m2 2 m1 u1. This is 2 times m1 will get cancelled. 2 times m1. m2 minus m2 is 0. So 0 plus u1 v2 equals to u1. So if you look carefully what we got, see now. This was one body of mass m1 traveling with u1. Another body traveling with u2. दोनों आपस में टकराते हैं. इसका वेलोसिटी v1, इसका v2 हो गया. So we got that v2 u1 हो गया और v1 u2 हो गया. So exchange offer we got ना. When masses is same, u1 will become velocity of second and u2 will become velocity of first. Are you getting me? So can I write conclusion when masses are same, then in case of elastic collision velocity gets exchanged? मतलब जो फर्स्ट था वो सेकंड हो जाएगा और जो सेकंड था वो फर्स्ट हो जाएगा. तो जो फर्स्ट था वो सेकंड हो गया और जो सेकंड था वो फर्स्ट हो गया. ओके, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
ओके, राइट टिल दिस, देन कंक्लूजन आई विल से. Thus, in case of elastic collision, when masses are same, then velocity gets exchanged. When masses are same, then velocity gets exchanged. Okay, clear? This much over?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अगला टॉपिक करते हैं. Show that in case of inelastic collision, so that in case of inelastic collision, initial kinetic energy is always greater than final kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy is always greater than final kinetic energy. Write the heading. In case of inelastic collision, initial kinetic energy is always greater than final kinetic energy. Both Vedant, you are following? Vedant Patil and Vedant Pandloskar, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Draw this diagram. A body A, another body B, having mass m1, m2, initial velocity u1, u2, traveling along same straight line such that u1 is greater than u2. Diagram banao. Then they collide and stick together and move with common velocity v. Consider two bodies A, comma B having masses m1, comma m2 moving with initial velocities u1, comma u2 on same straight line such that u1 greater than u2. let the two bodies collide after t seconds and move with common velocity v. Move with common velocity v. Therefore, by law of conservation of momentum, by law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals to m1 v plus m2 v. So m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is v into m1 plus m2. So v equals to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 upon m1 plus m2. Yes, completed. Completed in this.
Yes, sir.
If I clear, no problem now. Now we have to check initial kinetic energy is greater than final or not. So initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. If suppose I get this answer greater than 0, then I will say initial is greater than final. Less than 0, initial is less than final. Equal to 0, initial is equal to final. So initial kinetic energy is half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square minus final wala is half total mass is m1 plus m2 दोनों का velocity same, that is v. So half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square minus half m1 plus m2, and v is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 upon m1 plus m2 square of this. So this will become half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square minus half m1 plus m2 m1 u1 plus m2 u2 square upon m1 plus m2 the whole square. So m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 I can cancel. Now if I look carefully, 2 2 2 is LCM 2 and m1 plus m2, this is LCM. So first wale mein 2 is there but m1 plus m2 is missing. So m1 u1 square into m1 plus m2 plus m2 u2 square into m1 plus m2 minus all the terms are there, so khali no multiplier, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 the whole square. Please copy till this. Once you complete till last line, please tell, so that I can expand the brackets and final conclusion we can make.
Yes, sir, done.
Done, sir.
I'm just
Done,
multiplying the
sir.
numerator. See, yeah.
Done, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you. So first term will become m1 square u1 square plus m1 m2 u1 square plus m1 m2 u2 square plus m2 square u2 square minus, I'm opening this bracket, it is m1 square u1 square minus of twice m1 m2 u1 u2 प्लस माइनस ऑफ m2 स्क्वायर u2 स्क्वायर. देखो ये बाजू वाले के पेज में मत लिख देना, सो वेरी लेंदी लाइन, बी केयरफुल. एक के नीचे एक लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. अपॉन 2 टाइम्स m1 प्लस m2. नाउ m1 u1 स्क्वायर माइनस m1 स्क्वायर u1 स्क्वायर, m2 स्क्वायर u2 स्क्वायर माइनस m2 स्क्वायर u2 स्क्वायर. Now see what is left in the numerator. Can I take M1, M2, M1, M2, M1, M2 common from the numerator? See, three terms are there. M1, M2, M1, M2, M1, M2. Can we take common?
Yes.
Let's see how this, what this becomes. Sorry. M1, M2, U1 square. So we get M1, M2 common, U1 square minus 2 times U1, U2 plus U2 square upon twice of M1 plus M2. That is M1, M2, U1 minus U2 whole square upon twice of M1 plus M2. Mass is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
So positive into positive is positive. Square of anything is also positive.
Yes.
sir.
And sum of two masses also positive.
Yes, sir.
So yes sir, positive, positive means B positive greater than 0, no? Correct, na? Positive means greater than 0.
Yes.
So initial
Yes, sir.
minus final, we got greater than 0. That means initial kinetic energy is greater than final kinetic energy. So whenever it is elastic collision, then start wala energy is greater than बाद वाला. तो कुछ तो loss हो जाता है इसमें. That loss can be sound energy, heat energy, and so on. Now copy till end. Hello? Hello? हाँ हाँ प्रिज्म, हाँ हाँ प्रिज्म, ओके ठीक है, हाँ Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one new term, coefficient of restitution. Coefficient of restitution. See, whenever word coefficient comes in physics, इसका मतलब है रेशियो निकालना है किसका तो. So restitute, that means two things when start separating after connection, that is called actually restitution. एक मिनट अभी डेफिनेशन बोलता हूं तो थोड़ा आइडिया आ जाएगा आपको. It is defined as the ratio of. It is defined as the ratio of relative velocity of. It is defined as the ratio of relative velocity of separation to the relative velocity of approach. Therefore, coefficient of restitution denoted by E is relative velocity of separation upon relative velocity of approach. Meaning, see what it is. This means अभी न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा है मतलब ई ज्यादा आएगा ना. क्लियर समझ रहे अपने को. सो कभी भी दो बॉडी अगर हम ज्वाइंट करते हैं, मतलब बाई चांस देर इज वन सीरीज ऑफ वेगन, ट्रेन का डब्बा, उसके साथ ज्वाइंट कर रहे हैं अपने को इंजन. सो इफ आई वांट टू ज्वाइन इंजन फ्रॉम फ्रंट टू बैक, तो पहला फ्रंट से निकालना पड़ेगा, मतलब सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा. अभी जैसे ही सेपरेट किया तो ड्यू टू फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, इफ दे स्टार्ट सेपरेटिंग लार्जर, तो मुझे वो डब्बे को पकड़ के रखना पड़ेगा. बाउंसर क्या लगता है? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
दोस्त हैव ट्रेवल्ड बाय लॉन्ग जर्नी ट्रेन, तो आगे एक 8-10 घंटे के बाद इंजन को चेंज करते हैं ना वो लोग.
Yes, sir. At the junction.
Yeah, at major junction. So one engine is removed, second has to be fitted, and wagon is on the platform only. तो अगर आया दूर से इंजन, अभी इसके साथ टच करने का है उसको, तो जैसे टच किया इसका सेपरेशन बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, तो पता चला टच करने के बाद बिफोर दे जॉइंट ये वेगन चला गया दूसरा स्टेशन पे. चलेगा कैसा अपने को?
No.
तो विद दैट
No.
पैरामीटर वो लोग चेक करते हो स्प्रिंग से दो जब भी बॉडी ज्वाइंट होंगे तो कितना वो होल्ड कर सकता है, कितना सेपरेट कर सकता है. सो इन इंडस्ट्रीज दैट देयर इट इज यूज्ड. अभी जो स्पेसक्राफ्ट है, टू लॉन्च इट दे रिक्वायर शटल. चैलेंजर की एक नाम था पहले, इंडिया के पास था चैलेंजर शटल. इंडिया के पास, सॉरी यूएस के पास था. सो इफ द एस्ट्रोनॉट्स they have done their work at the space station, now they have to come back. So they come, इधर से जाता है शटल जो जॉइंट हो जाता है, फिर उनको खींच लेता है एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर. सो व्हेन इट जॉइंट्स, अभी इसका कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ सेपरेशन कम चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर से टकरा के वापस चला जाएगा वो दूसरा प्लैनेटरी इन्फ्लुएंस में, तो फिर से उनको आगे लेके आना पड़ेगा. दैट मींस व्हेनेवर दैट इज जॉइनिंग टू बॉडीज or touching the two bodies, then after collision it may separate more or it may separate less depending upon the requirement. वो मेजर करते हैं हम लोग ई से. ओके, थोड़ा तो समझा क्या मीनिंग है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डेफिनेशन लिख लो इधर.
So Apollo 11 was the best example.
Which one?
Apollo 11, sir.
Yes, yes,
Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin.
yes, yes, yes. See, you all are very smart. I know you know everything. We are now, you are reading new periodicals. You will get physics is a very interesting subject. So this all are useful in our day-to-day life. But those terms are not clear. इससे difficult लगता है.
Done, sir.
Okay. छोटा सा और है, फिर ये पार्ट खत्म करके फिर अगला टॉपिक करता हूँ. मतलब काइनेमेटिक्स वाला ये पूरा टॉपिक एक बार खत्म हो जाए, देन आई एम कमिंग टू दैट. Show that in case of show that coefficient of restitution lies between 0 and 1. Show that coefficient of restitution lies between 0 and 1. In case of elastic collision, relative velocity of separation equals to relative velocity of approach. Therefore, E, which is equals to relative velocity of separation upon relative velocity of approach, both are equal. I can cancel. E is 1 in case of elastic collision, if it is perfectly elastic. Right, till this write down again, then we'll see what will happen for inelastic.
Done, sir.
ओके, इक्वल्स टू 1 हो गया फॉर इलास्टिक कोलेशन. In case of inelastic collision, inelastic means it is not separating, therefore relative velocity of separation equals to relative velocity of separation equal to 0. So coefficient of restitution comma E will be 0 upon relative velocity of approach. Therefore, E is 0. Now, in practice, collisions are not perfectly elastic or perfectly inelastic. Therefore, E will be slightly less than 1 and slightly greater than 0. That is, it lies between 0 and 1. Now complete it till end. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Planner I have given you till today, na? Or till Thursday?
No, till today only.
Today I have to give you new planner, na?
Yes, sir.
एक दो टॉपिक कराता हूँ फिर वो प्लानर भी दे देता हूँ आपको. Right. Show that when a body is dropped, so that when a body is dropped from height capital H, if it rebounds to small h, then coefficient of restitution comma e equals to root of small h upon capital H. E equals to root of small h upon capital H. I'm just clearing it again and proving that how E equal to root of small h upon capital H. E means relative velocity of approach to the separation. E means relative velocity of separation upon relative velocity of approach. So they are saying if a body is dropped from height h and then it rebounds to height small h, then show that E is root of small h upon capital H. So this is one surface which is at rest. तो ये जो भी velocity से इसके ऊपर अपटेगा और it comes and fall, that velocity minus ये तो zero ही है इस relative velocity of approach. फिर ये जो velocity से ऊपर push होएगा, that will be separation because ये तो खुद rest पे है. So first I am finding what is velocity by which the body which is dropped comes on the surface which is at rest, then separates from the surface which is at rest. So for body dropped, v square is u square plus 2as. V is I don't know, initial is 0, a is minus g, h is minus h because downward are negative. So v square is 2gh, that means v is 2g capital H. This is nothing but relative velocity of approach. That is relative velocity of approach equals to root of 2gh. Now for body rebound, v square is u square plus 2as. Rebound means final it will come to rest. Initial I don't know. A is downward, so negative. H is upward, positive. So U square is minus 2gh. Therefore, U square is plus 2g small h. That is U equals to root of 2g small h. So we can say that is relative velocity of separation equals to root of 2g small h. E is relative velocity of separation, which we got root of 2gh. Approach root 2g capital H. 2g cancel, root of small h upon capital H. Very important sum. Most of the college will ask you either show that, or they will give you E value and they will ask small h or capital H. Copy now till end. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Collision in two dimension, in 2D. Collision in 2D. 2D matlab body is moving in XY plane, that is called 2D. Suppose this is a body A of mass m1 moving with elastic u1. It collides with another body. Now centers are not matching. Center of first body and center of second body is not same. U2 collides with U1 collides with U2. After collision, one body moves with velocity v1 making angle theta. Other body m2 moves with velocity v2 again making angle theta with v2. It can be different also. I have taken same. So I can resolve one vector into two vector. One vector into two vector I can resolve. अभी resolution मतलब ये एक वेक्टर है. You can split into two part. एक horizontal एक vertical. थीटा का बाजू वाला कभी भी cos में रहता है. संस्करण प्रतीक मैं आप लोग को ये सिखाऊंगा बाद में. ये v1 बाजू वाला will be always in cos. So this is v1 cos theta and the upper one will be v2 v1 cos sine v1 sine v1 sine. v1 sine theta. Angle can be different also. I have just taken for convenience as theta only. You can take theta 1 theta 2 also. v2 इसका horizontal component, a vertical will be v2 sine theta and ये theta का बाजू वाला is v2 cos theta. Now see, along x-axis there is one motion, मतलब horizontal, and along y-axis there is one motion, that means along vertical. इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं 2D. Along x-axis initial momentum equals to final momentum. Initial momentum is m1 u1 plus m2 u2, दोनों x-axis पे है. And after collision, m1 v1 cos plus m2 v2 cos. This is horizontal law of conservation of momentum. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
डाउट लग रहा है क्या? फिर से देख लो फिर. A and B are two bodies moving along horizontal, लेकिन सेंटर एक ही डायरेक्शन में नहीं है, इससे टकरा के ऐसा अलग डायरेक्शन पे जाएगा. एक को थीटा विथ हॉरिजॉन्टल इन अपवर्ड, दूसरा डाउनवर्ड. सो इसका वेलोसिटी का मैंने दो टुकड़ा निकाला, हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल, हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल. अभी लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम along x axis along y axis देख रहा हूं मैं. बाय लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. देखो 11th वाला एग्जाम में ये 100-200% नहीं आएगा, JEE में आ सकता है. बाय लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम x एक्सिस हो गया. कैन यू टेल मी y एक्सिस पे स्टार्टिंग में है क्या बॉडी का मोशन, क्या नहीं है? सोच के बोलो. हाँ, स्टार्ट में बॉडी y एक्सिस पे जा रहा है क्या? ज्यादा मत सोचो. हेलो वत्सल,
Sir,
at the start body is moving in y or not?
I'm not still getting it. I'm thinking.
Pardon? You cannot see?
I can see, but I'm not understanding still.
Arey, what you can see? See, this is going in x x x x x x x x x x x x, huh?
Yes, sir.
That means there is no y.
Yes, sir.
So initial momentum along y is 0.
Uh,
Okay?
yes, sir.
अभी फाइनल वाला. ये ऊपर 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 जा रहा है ना फाइनली फर्स्ट वाला बॉडी, करेक्ट ना? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so this is upward means plus, so m1 v1 sin theta, downward means minus m2 v2 sin theta. I hope followed. Yes वत्सल, बोलो बेटा, अभी समझा क्या?
हाँ सर.
चलो कर लो इतना. Okay, completed till end.
Yes.
अभी मोमेंटम तो हम लोग समझ गए, x पे है y पे है. See, energy is a scalar quantity. If it is scalar means it will not have direction. So if it is not having direction, there is no need of splitting into two vector. So kinetic energy is also conserved because it is elastic collision. Initial was half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square, and final directly write half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square. No need of splitting because it is a scalar quantity. This completes our one section, collision of law of motion. Next lecture I will start with what is force, what are type of forces, then Newton's first law, second law, third law, numericals based on that. So after this, first I will set the planner for you so that you know what test you have to be preparing for. If you complete, please tell so that I can write the planner on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Done, sir.
thank you. Planner. From today is 19 9 2020 to 19 7 26, that means 25 9 2020, Friday means today. Practice.
Today is Saturday.
Sorry, today is Saturday. Sorry. लॉकडाउन में सब डे एक जैसा लगता है ना, नो फन डे. तो सैटरडे practice 2 times whatever taught in class. This is Saturday. आज जो पढ़ा है उसको ही 2 बार प्रैक्टिस कर लेना. संडे kinematics. Till last class it is till 60.
Sir, 140.
140 तक है. अच्छा, so 141 to 150, खाली 10. बस जी लो अपनी जिंदगी, एंजॉय करो थोड़ा. 10 बहुत हो गया. मंडे अगेन काइनेमेटिक्स. अब ये काइनेमेटिक्स में अंदर स्केलर्स वेक्टर भी है थोड़ा, तो दोनों का मजा है इसमें. 151 to 170, 20. Tuesday whatever taught in class, practice 2 times. Wednesday 171 to 180, 10 खाली दिया है. 180. Thursday, Friday. Thursday practice 181 to 200. बस. Here practice for test, practice for test on kinematics only. उसके बाद से चालू करूंगा फिर दूसरा टॉपिक. So with this your kinematics part will become perfect. चलो हो गया. Now
Yes, sir.
yes, okay, एक सेकेंड. हाँ, क्या करे और थोड़ा